Good after morning, folks. Hope you're having a great day. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now you're looking at what are a bunch of chewed off leaves of the soybean plants that we have. Basically edamame. These will throw new leaves, so I'm not terribly worried, but this is a real nuisance in my opinion. We want it to look like that, not that. So there are steps you can take to keep the pests out. I think that what this is actually a rabbit doing this. So I'm going to probably put up some chicken wire in some fashion, build a small containment area so these can exist within that chicken wire. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out a lot, and stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these edamame plants. Have a good day.